So this quarter we are focusing on advanced tutorial. So today's topic is about custom table drawing. Okay. So I will demonstrate how it works, how it shows like. So here is the constant table drawing. Okay, I draw a table about the weather forecast. Okay, you guys can see my screen, right? To see my HMI offline simulator. Okay, good. So here is the function today I want to talking about. So this function can allow us to make the table content more flexible to design the table format we wanted. For example, sometimes we subscribe the MQTT topic, right? So we can read some value or from the sensor or some counter, then or request the HTTP API from the server. Okay, so then we can pass those the JSON value into the HMI to display as the table format. Okay, so for example, here is the I will show. So here is a demo about the personal MQTT subscribe topic. Then we change this JSON format into this table. Okay. This demo is using directly using the mnemonic input to display it. Okay, so it is more simple. But today we are talking about the Lua table is more how to say it is maybe it is more no need us to add this mnemonic inputs one by one. It is more quick to draw the screen to table screen we wanted. Okay. So the first thing first, I need to demonstrate how to get the object ID first. Okay, because if we want to control the table we want to draw, first thing first is about how to get the table ID. Okay, so first, if we want to draw the table, we need to add a constant object into the screen. Okay, so here is already is the constant object. Then we select this one, constant Lua table. Okay, then ID we want to copy is to right click here. Then we can see here is the copy object name, right? Then we click it and go to the Lua file, Lua load, then paste. So we can see it is object name is showing like this. It's table drawing chapter. Okay, so all my function is to refer from here. So first thing is to set the numbers of rows and columns of the table. Okay. So to set how many cells I want to draw. So here the first argument is the thing we just talking about, the object name, right? So the object name is this one, here, this one, and the second one is the rows number, okay, and then the third one is the column number. So as on my demo, it means I want to draw 16 rows and 5 columns table, okay. And the last parameter is about the ratio, the column width. Sorry. Maybe I need to column width. Okay. It is about this one, ratio. So for example, I want to draw as for example, I want to draw one, for example, 2 rows and 2 columns, right? And here, for example, sorry. So for example, here I change the demo and I want to draw 2 rows. Two rows and 2 columns. Okay. So you will be like this one. So the first is the draw the cell, okay. The second one is about the draw the table header, right? If we want to define the table content, how it describe every rows, every column, what does it means? Then we need to this one to show the meaning. Okay. Now draw the header. So here it means I want to 5 columns, right? So here is 5 names of the all clone. So here I also can to I deleted my original this one. So I comment my script. I need to recover it. Yes. So you can see here is the table header. I draw it, right? It is show like this. Any question about this part? Yes, I can hear you. Yes. We can change the header name. Okay. So here, for example, the first is state, original is state, right? So I can for example, name. No. Yes. Sorry, I don't understand. Data record. If you because sorry, because the data record is the how to explain is this one. The data record is in the past we cannot directly access. Okay, so the one thing you can try is to import some DB file from the outside, like USB pen driver or SD card. Then we can read this DB file into the Lua table. Okay. Can you understand my explanation? Search. What do you mean search? So it is too noisy. Day 1, day 2, something like that. Yes, you can. For example, the database you will have the SQL. Use SQL to query the condition. We can do like this. Yes. Now we are moving on my topic. So here, for example, I want to rebuild the header we wanted. Okay, so for example here, the first clone is the name, the second clone is the counter. So and the third one is the for example, like the grant. So here, for example, here is the level, something like that, or something. The describe. So here I rename the header. Okay. So I compile and run the offline simulator again. So you can see here is the new header name. I just make it. Okay. So here I undo those. So here is the cell. Here is the cell and the header. Okay. One thing we need to notice. Need to notice is the here is retail number, right? But we cannot make it as with decimal point. Okay. So for example, if I want to input the 1.5, this one is not allowed. Okay. So for example, if I compile and run it, it will give me a error. So here we can see here is invalid cloud with radio. Okay. So then we the next is about how to add data into this table. Okay. So the those table data is actually a two-dimensional array. Okay. So for example, here I here for example I create a new table, right? So here sorry, here no need to. So it actually is just a two-dimensional array. So here I to assign some value into this table. Okay. So for example, here I just to assign one value into this table. Okay. So here let us to check this. So we can see it just show the first row and first column this value, right? So for example, here I add more data into this table. So here I add four value into table. So we will see the result. So I add. So we can see here is showing like this, right? So after we know the rule of this, how he achieve, how he display. Then for example, here I can use a loop to draw all to fill all the cells. Okay. So here it is showing like this. Okay. So it is just what I mentioned. It is just a two-dimensional table. That's a value from the MQTT topic. Okay. Something like this. So it will showing like this table format we want it. On the Lua SQLite. Yes, SQLite. It also can use the Lua table to display. So next is the to let me compile the. So here is the get page function, okay. And here is to get the select index. For example, I select list 7, so I can get in the index. It print the seven rows, and the page up and the page down. Sorry, maybe this I didn't. Wait a minute. because it need to every time we need to refresh all the data, right? But because it cannot get the table data on from here the loop, so it will no functional. So I need to delete this one. Wait a minute. Add the data. Data. So let me compile this again. So here I need to change. No need to. So here is the table data, right? So I can page up and page down. Okay. Move like this. And the next is the mode change. This one is for the reverse the display order. So see here the last row is the 1, and here change, and the last one is the 30 rows. The last is about the reset the table. Okay. So here is all the function I want to demonstrate today. So any question? Any question? Hello? So let us to review all the so the first is the first thing we need to draw the cell, right? The second one is to draw the table header, and the next one is to add the data into the list table. Okay. So here are totally many 3 steps. draw cell, draw header, and add data. Then we can display this the content we want to display, want to draw. And here where the info is, I random generate some value into the table. Okay. So just I showing on the beginning. So if don't have another question, then we finish today's meeting. Okay. After meeting, I will share this demo to the group. So thanks for your watching. See you next time. Okay. Goodbye.